name is Rumo Umoye. This is a Meter Auto Service and Repairs Limited. We are located at Konjo Iwala, precisely plot 804 at Otako district. Anyway, as a marketing manager and business development personnel here, our spray room, which has been so effective and efficient so far, is one of the tools that has helped to bring development and growth to this place in town auto service. You know, initially people will come and say that I want to maintain my vehicle, probably just service, and eventually we'll discover the person who want to paint the vehicle as well. You know, so we saw the need for us to install the oven spray, which was immediately installed. Sincerely, you know, when people, personally I have been to different ovens, and since the installation, people have been asking me, this oven is different. What happened? Why is it that some vehicles are being painted in another oven, but your own oven, it seems to be different? I say yes, it depends on the installation and the installer too, you know. So they've been asking me who actually installed this oven. Initially I said, I have to, for me to do marketing, I think I have to consult them, you know. But eventually I told them that it's Garutech. Garutech is a wonderful people. They are very, very good at the oven installation, you know. Sure. You know, they used to say that even that good food, for you to have a good meal, you must be prepared to spend for that meal. You know, Garutech is a wonderful people. They are very, very good at oven installation. Not just oven installation, they also maintain. They don't just install. No, after installation, they ensure that it is effective. Its efficiency is what they are after. You understand, you know. So I would tell people to look out for Garutech, you know, so that they see that after time to time they come around to ensure the oven, you know, the oven is still going on.